Welcome to the course called Python Programming by Examples. Entire course has been divided into three sections: Section 1, Section 2 and Section 3. In Section 1, I cover input-output functions and its corresponding details, condition statements, iterations, control, list, tuple, dictionary and functions. So section 1 will talk about the examples related to these topics. In section 1, I have covered almost like 24 different programs and example programs that cover these topics. Okay, each program will have like an in-depth explanation about the logic and object used in those programs. In section 2, we'll have like a file handling, file operation on text and binary file, stack and queue data structure, random and collections. So in section 2, we'll have like almost 9 different examples where these different concepts like file handling, file operations, stack, queues will cover, and explanation about the logic used, object used, and their all the steps required to complete these programs. In section 3, we'll have like most frequently used Python models like Pyplot, Numpy, Panda, Windows OS and web browsers. We'll have like almost 10 different programs. In these programs, we'll have import these models and we'll have like corresponding invoke their methods and objects to see the desired outputs and calculation. At the end of each section, I will add the assignments for you, and each assignment will have like a conceptual implementation of the section 1 corresponding sections. Okay, so I would request you all to go through those assignments. That will help you to learn your things better. So come to this course, buy this course, and let's start learning Python with example, a different way and a fastest way to learn the Python.